Hello everyone, this is Gunjit and today I'm going to show you how you can get infinite Discord orbs like as you can see on my screen. So if you stick around all the way till the end, then I can guarantee that you will walk away with as many Discord orbs as you want. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. So what orbs basically do is that you can use them to buy various items in the shop, as you can see right here. Like as you can see that it can be used to buy nitro and various other things. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Alright, so now first of all I'm going to talk about the easiest method that is out there. So now what you'd want to do is that you'd want to click on filters and you'd want to click on watch. And what this is going to do is that basically it is going to show you various quests, and there are a lot more of them due to Halloween. So now what you'd want to do is that you'd want to select any quest. So for example, I'm going to select this one, and you would want to click on start video quest. And what this is going to do is that it is going to basically play a video, and you can just keep it running on your PC for as long as the video demands. So after that you can claim the reward, and as you can see that it is going to give you 700 orbs. Now obviously I cannot play the video due to copyright reasons, and similarly you can complete various other quests as you can see. So this is going to give you a sufficient amount of Discord orbs. And now let's talk about the second method that is out there. So what you would want to do is that you would want to select the play, and one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that you would also have to select the orbs option. So as you can see that I have selected both of these options, and as you can see that this is the more difficult method. So here what you would want to do is that you would want to look up these quests, and you are probably going to see something like this. And right now only the 700 orbs one is available. So what it basically wants you to do is that you just have to play the game to obtain Discord orbs. And why I am showing this method is because as you can see that there was a quest which had 5000 Discord orbs attached to it, and such an amount can be used to buy Discord Nitro for a decent amount of time. So you can keep checking these as I said, and this is how you can earn Discord orbs. And as for these play quests, there are sometimes loopholes or kind of tricks that you can use to just complete the quest without actually playing the game. So if you want to get notified about those, then you can definitely join our Discord server, and you are going to find a separate channel right here about the orbs thing, where we are going to post various other methods which I become a lot of. If you enjoyed, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the Discord server for further methods if I find any. Goodbye, have a nice day.